Alright, hello everybody. Today is Wednesday, March 24th, 2021, and right around this time, last year, we had a tornado siren test. It was actually March 25th of 2020, and I filmed it. So we're going to do the same thing today. It's on March 24th this time. We're at the new house, obviously, so we're going to have to see if maybe there's some sound differences, because we're a little bit farther away from the siren. So, yeah, it is about 12:56, and it's going to go off at 1 p.m. So until then, I'm just going to stand out, on my porch and just wait and listen. It's a beautiful day. It's like 65 out. Very little wind. Feels real nice. So anyway, yeah. Catch back up with you guys when the siren comes on. There we go. Was that it? Should get louder. There we go. That's the other one. There they are. It's coming from that way, which I guess that makes sense in a way. I'm trying to think what's over there. Oh yeah, there is one. That's more like it. Oh, it changed pitch. There it goes. This one should quiet down in a minute too. The one over there, shut off. Shut off. It's a long one. Wow. Oh. Still going. Still going. Still going. Still going. Still going. There we go. think it's done. Well, that was the statewide Michigan tornado siren test on March 24th, 2021. So, there you go, all you fans of the sirens. That is the tornado drill.